In this lecture, we will open Unreal Engine for the first time, at least within this course. To do so, first we need to open Epic Games Launcher. In this frame, you'll see all Unreal Engine versions that you installed. I recommend you use the same version of Engine that I am using. In this case, it's version 5.3.2. Click on Launch. It will take some time for the engine to launch since it's the first time. Next time you open it, it should happen much quicker. Please allow and accept everything Unreal Engine asks you about. It didn't ask me since it's not the first time I'm opening this version of the engine. Since we're here to develop games, please click on the corresponding button. If you remembered from the introduction part, I mentioned that Unreal Engine comes with templates that will help you start a new project. I was talking about these templates. As you can see, Unreal Engine comes preloaded with first-person, third-person, top-down, handheld AR, virtual reality, and vehicle templates. Now we will focus on the third-person template. It comes with everything we need to get started. If not set by default, please set the engine to use blueprints. Make sure your target platform is desktop. The quality preset is irrelevant, so choose as you like. Tick the starter content and decide for yourself whether you want ray tracing or not. Make sure to choose a project location based on available space in the selected drive. Unreal projects tend to get quite space-consuming, so choose location wisely. You really don't want to run out of space as you build your game. You can name your project whatever you like. I will name mine the Easy Course. Okay, we are all set. Now you can click Create and wait for the Unreal Engine to load the project. We will acquaint ourselves with the Unreal Editor in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.